Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, today let us see the performance of our MST iCore 2.0 indicator in commodity. We have not released video for the past, I think, 13 days. So today let us see in crude oil. We all know once the market has opened, it will open either above the midline, that is our MGR point, or below that or above that. Once the market has opened somewhere in between our buy zone and sell zone, we don't have to do anything, simply we have to let the market to run. Once the market has come down to our buy zone, there we have to buy. Okay, here it is clearly mentioned as 6709 is our buy place. And our SL will be 6688 and our target will be 6732, first target in the if buy activated. If sell activated, the target will be, the entry will be 6755 and the SL will be 6776 and the target will be 6732 again. So now you can see, if you want me to do bar replay, that also I can do. See here, now market has just opened and it is running. I will just increase the speed. Before the market has reached our level, we have got to know where to buy and where to sell. So if the market is coming down to 6709, we will be buying. Exactly, it has come down and the target 6732 is achieved already. Once again it has come down. Now we have to wait for the targets again. Once again it has reached our first target. So how it is, once buy or sell is activated, we have to go to the settings and remove the sell, enable the buy targets, also enable the second sell targets. We were enabling second sell targets because if SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. So now again I am letting the market run. So first target done, second target done, and it is nearing to our third target. And third target is 6773. Yeah, accurately all the three targets have been achieved. It is not happened one day. But see the previous day also exactly buy activated and first target, second target, third target, fourth target, fifth target, sixth target, seventh target, all the 7 targets achieved. So where can you enable the extra targets? So we have given here the options. So in the MGR section you can enable first buy target 4, first buy target 5 and first buy target 6, that also you can enable. This DTP is the top midpoint and DVP is the bottom midpoint. So now you can see how many targets have been achieved. First target, second target, third target, fourth target, fifth target, sixth target. If I enable 7th target, that also will be achieved. But we don't know how long it will take to reach the target. So we can minimum wait for the 3 targets. What you have to do, once the first target is achieved, you have to revise the stop loss to cost. So most of the day we will be getting more profit and our indicator is mainly for the more profit than the loss. So do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, also subscribe to our indicator. We are giving now with the lifetime validity with a very less cost. So whoever interested, please join with us. Let us all grow together. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.